Hello and welcome to another video here on Humble Unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing some more Skechers streetwear, air-cooled with memory foam. And this time it is the men's 10.5. You can see it here. Let it focus. Doesn't want to focus. Come on. Too close. Here we go. It says Delson 3.0-EZRA and in the color dark brown. This is the, as said, 10.5 men's European 44. And yeah, I'm very curious to see the brown. Let's open it up. Ooh. Alright, first look, first glance, looks great. Let's get the other one out too. Let's get the box away and let's have a look at the shoes. Let's put them next to each other. Alright, this is what it looks like. I think this brown looks amazing. It looks kind of damaged in a way, like it's proper leather. I doubt it is leather. Fake leather, I suppose, or some kind of other fabric that feels like leather, although the quality is really good. This is one shoe from the side. Let's get it over a little bit. Alright, like that. This is what the side looks like. We have here this fabric with a few holes inside, then different fabric up here, this kind of famous mesh fabric that they use on a lot of other shoes. And then also from the front you can see the red Skechers logo, and the shoelaces, they're stretchy shoelaces, and you don't have any shoelaces to tie together. They're like hidden in here. And up here the same mesh fabric. Let's look at the other side. You can see the S here. So this S and the Skechers up here are kind of hidden. They aren't too obvious, like Skechers shoes. And this is what it looks like from the back, or from the back here as well. This light brown on dark brown Skechers. Oh, and this up here I saw right now is not red. In the camera it looks kind of red, but it's like a light brown. I'm also a little bit colorblind, so forgive me. And I think this here, oh, this could be kind of like a leather thing. How do we get this away? You can for sure clean this leather here. Well, that's it for this video. Again, these are the Skechers Delson 3.0-EZRA in the color dark brown, men's 10.5. Had to look that up on the box. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, consider subscribing and giving this video a like. It will help me out a lot. Have a great day and goodbye.